Here's an innovation nugget from our Industrial Innovations podcast.
So you've been in the industry 46 years. Can we narrow down here maybe to like the last 10 years? And what major changes have you seen in the demand for automation over the past decade?
Clearly, the most significant change is the recognition and value of accepting and utilizing flexible robotic automation. Robotics are the most reliable and dependable technology that you can utilize and integrate. They're affordable. They have become easier and easier to learn. Obviously, they're repeatable, they're consistent, and they never, ever, ever shut down. I can tell you that in over 3,000 or 4,000 installations, the robot is never the issue. There could be application-related concerns. There could be other things that interfere with disturbances, but it's generally not the robot.
What advice can you give to any company seeking to automate its manufacturing processes?
In order to compete with the most efficient metal finishing processes, minimizing scrap, optimizing consumable media cost, companies have no choice but to adapt to flexible automation. It's the only way to survive in the global manufacturing economy. It's the only way to move forward. And I believe the companies that embrace that and commit to it will do extremely well. The companies that resist or are uncomfortable will just really not survive.
If you'd like to hear more on this topic or other innovation content, subscribe to our podcast, Industrial Innovations, on all popular podcast apps.